Hey guys, how's it going? How to calculate trading fees on Kraken. So when you buy crypto like Bitcoin, you go ahead and buy it. And basically, let's say I want to buy 20 bucks. And as you can see right here, there is the fee. Why or how to calculate the trading fee on Kraken, and how to calculate the crypto that I'm buying or selling or holding for that matter, or even selling it, and how to calculate the fees on the Kraken, like what's the calculation for Kraken. Go back to your screen, go ahead to the official website of Kraken, and they say we charge a fee when your order is executed, matched with another client's order. So when you go to Kraken Pro and when you start to trade Bitcoin, right? Like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you're gonna go ahead and just, let's say for example, you're gonna buy Ethereum and you're gonna just execute. You're gonna see the estimated fee from here. This sets the currency for your spot fees, right? And they charge the order once it's executed, matched with another client's order. The fee ranges from 0 to 0.40% of the total cost value of your order, and depends on the following: your 30-day trading volume in US dollars, the currency pair that is being traded, whether the order is maker or taker. Orders that are canceled before being executed, also known as untouched orders, do not incur any fees. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.